Okay, so we arrived to the kitchen today to find this little trail of ants.
Little trail.
Little treasure trail coming in little. Coming in the kitchen. And they are everywhere.
Well, zooming on the oils.
Oh, don't worry. I'm scared to walk in here because they get on you. Yeah. They are everywhere. Like thick freaking mats of them. Everywhere. Oh my god. And like,
Sink.
this isn't
Everything.
a case of things being dirty necessarily. They're just cleaning up every goddamn morsel
Of whatever the hell we
they can
left.
get their stuff on. They're on our stove. They're on the table. They're on the oil bottle. They are everywhere. Holy smokes. Wow. Wow. That's the most intense ant infestation we've seen yet.